Hi guys, I'm back with part 2. You know how I made that this slime out of dumpling insides? Well, it actually is still pretty good. Sorry, it's a Sunday again, so I'm like in my art shirt again, and I have my hair tied up, so I look the exact same. Anyways, so we're gonna see if we can put it back in. I cut an even bigger hole before, so if this is a fail, I'm gonna be annoyed. But if it works, then I'm gonna love it. Oh, they're trying to distract me in the window, guys. I'm still outside, by the way, from the last one. I was outside in the last one. I know that for sure. Okay, it's actually not that bad. Let's see if, oh my, sorry. They're still trying to distract me in the window. I need to grab more slime. Stop! They're trying to make sounds in the background of the video to annoy me. And I didn't put my mic on because I knew I'd have slimy hands, so I can't adjust it or anything, because I have like slime all over my hands. Okay, let's see if this slime works. This dumpling works, because I just need a little bit more slime in there. So there's like barely any air bubbles. Don't need all of it. Stop! They're trying to annoy me. Oh, wait. It actually isn't that bad. See if we can get any more slime in it. Stop! They just opened the door to annoy me again. Stop! You're making the video loud. They're still trying to do it. Sisters, guys. If you have a sister, comment this relates to me. And comment if they've ever done this to you. Okay, so it's not the worst, but it's not the best. Oh, forgot to cover the hole. I might glue it up soon. Guys, I'm literally getting 3 uses out of this dumpling. My sister wouldn't have done this. She would have just threw it out. So thank God I made her give it to me. They're still trying to do it. I'm trying to ignore them. Staring at me in the window. Her friend's like always over here. So trying to shove more slime in here. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at it. Oh my gosh, it has a big forehead. Okay, it isn't the worst. So it's not the worst. Like, it's not the best. I'm gonna go maybe get glue to glue it up. Be back soon. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back with the glue. Okay. So it kind of just leaked out the dumpling. Gonna try to press that back in. Can't fill it up all the way, otherwise it'll come out. This is just bedazzling glue, so I use it for a lot of my squishy surgeries. I feel like I need to take a bit of slime out of this, it's leaking. Okay, that should have been enough. Or not. I'll just like take a chunk. Bit more. Okay, guys, I think that's good. Squishy surgery time. just a bit more out. Jeez. So there's a lot of slime coming out. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of this. Sorry. This is just annoying me. I don't know. Maybe it's because it has a big forehead. I need to take a bit more out. My little sister again. Okay. Yes. More slime is leaking out. Let's just take more chunks out. This is not like a squishy surgery I've ever done before, guys. I have not done one with a dumpling because my dumplings don't really pop. Yes. I think it's starting to work. Not too sure. Okay, close. Hopefully it works, please. No. It's still coming out. I feel like I need a clip or something. Hold on, I'll be back with some type of clip. Bye. Didn't change a lot. It's okay though. It's okay, go. More slime came out. It's wonderful. Should take a whole big chunk out. Okay. It being blurry is annoying me. I don't know what to use. Hold up. The dry are finished. Are we better? Or what? Okay. Nothing's working. Don't know what it is. It might be a bit of glue from my hands on it. But that's okay. Okay. Did more slime came out. I love when this doesn't work. Totally. Okay. A dazzling glue. I'm trying these clips, but it won't work. Why is it so blurry? Oh my gosh, don't mind my hair. Oh my goodness, I accidentally got glue in the laundry clip. Love when things don't work for me, don't I? Things are not working for me right now. Okay, I think I might just leave it. Hope that it works. Come back for part 3 to see if my dumpling is a disaster or not. Bye.